This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not professional advice, medical, legal, or technical. Viewers should do their own research before trying anything. Results may vary depending on conditions. The content is based on historical, scientific, or publicly available information. Imagine walking into a Hollywood-style diner, and instead of seeing a human waiter carrying your food, you see a humanoid robot moving around, learning tasks, and helping create a completely different customer experience. Now imagine that the cost behind some of these futuristic experiments could start with something as simple as a small electronic component worth only a few dollars. A tiny piece of technology, a small sensor, a simple computer chip. These small parts are helping create a transformation that once existed only in science fiction. No magic, no impossible invention, no professional required to understand the basic idea. Just a simple look at how robotics, artificial intelligence, and electric technology are changing the world around us. Welcome back to Future EV Insider, where we explore the future of transportation, robotics, and the technology shaping tomorrow. Today we are looking at Tesla Optimus Gen 3, the growing interest around humanoid robots, and why some experts believe these machines could become one of the biggest technology shifts of the next decade. But the real question is not just about a robot walking. The bigger question is this: what happens when machines designed for factories begin entering everyday environments like entertainment spaces, restaurants, and service industries? For decades, businesses have searched for ways to improve efficiency. Traditional solutions often require expensive systems. A company may spend thousands of dollars on specialized equipment. They may pay for training. They may hire teams for repetitive tasks. They may invest heavily in automation infrastructure. But robotics is introducing a different approach. Instead of building one machine for one specific purpose, modern humanoid robots are designed around flexibility. The idea is simple. A robot that can adapt to different environments could potentially handle many different types of tasks. This is where Tesla's Optimus project has gained attention. The concept is not just a factory machine. It represents a vision of a general-purpose humanoid robot. A machine that could eventually assist with repetitive work, logistics, manufacturing, and possibly customer-facing environments. The idea of robots working alongside humans is not new. In fact, the history of automation goes back centuries. Early mechanical systems were created to reduce difficult manual work. During the Industrial Revolution, machines transformed factories. Later, computers transformed offices. Now artificial intelligence is transforming how machines understand and interact with the world. The interesting part is that humanoid robots combine many technologies together. They bring together robotics, computer vision, artificial intelligence, battery technology, electric motors, and advanced software. A robot may look simple from the outside, but inside it is a combination of many engineering fields working together. The science behind it starts with perception. A human can look at a table and immediately understand what it is. A robot needs sensors and software to interpret the same information. Cameras collect visual data, sensors measure movement, artificial intelligence systems process information. Motors create physical action. It is a complicated chain of events happening in seconds. This is why humanoid robots are considered such a difficult engineering challenge. The machine needs to understand the environment and then respond safely. A robot in a factory has a controlled environment. A robot in a public place has many unpredictable situations. People move differently. Objects change positions. Lighting conditions change. Everyday environments are full of variables. This creates one of the biggest challenges for the industry. Making robots physically capable is one challenge. Making them reliable and useful in real situations is another. So why are companies investing billions into this area? The answer is connected to economics. Many industries face challenges with repetitive tasks: manufacturing, warehousing, hospitality, entertainment. Businesses are always looking for ways to improve productivity. A robot that can perform certain repetitive activities could potentially help companies manage operations differently. But this does not mean every job will instantly disappear, or that robots will replace all human workers. The future is likely more complicated. In many industries, technology often changes the type of work people do. When computers arrived, many tasks changed. When industrial machines arrived, many processes changed. Robotics may follow a similar pattern. Some tasks may become automated. Other tasks may require new skills. The story of Tesla Optimus connects to this larger history of technology evolution. The early versions of many technologies are often limited. The first computers were enormous. The first mobile phones were expensive. The first electric vehicles faced major challenges. But improvements happen through testing, engineering, and time. The same pattern can be seen with robotics. A prototype is not the final product. A demonstration is not the same as a complete commercial system. Development takes years. Testing takes time. Real-world feedback shapes future designs. When people talk about 100K robots by 2026, it is important to understand this as a vision or industry discussion rather than a guaranteed outcome. The growth of robotics depends on many factors: manufacturing ability, cost, safety, regulation, customer demand, technical progress. The interesting part is not only the number of robots, it is the direction technology is moving. A future where machines can physically interact with the world represents a major change from traditional software. For years, digital systems lived mostly on screens. Now engineers are working on systems that can move through physical spaces. This creates a new relationship between humans and machines. Think about a restaurant. Today, a restaurant may use software for ordering. It may use machines for cooking assistance. It may use automated systems for inventory. A humanoid robot could represent another step, a machine designed to interact with physical surroundings. This is why robotics attracts so much attention. It combines the digital world with the physical world. The same technology behind a robot in a factory could eventually influence many different industries. The entertainment world is especially interesting. Hollywood has always explored futuristic ideas. Movies have shown robots helping humans for decades. Now some of those ideas are becoming engineering projects. A robot walking through a diner is no longer only a movie scene. It is becoming a real technology experiment. But the real value comes from understanding the process. Behind every futuristic machine are simple foundations, small sensors, small processors, small motors, thousands of tiny improvements. A major technology shift is often built from small parts. This is something people often overlook. They see the finished robot. They do not always see the years of engineering behind it. The same happens in electric vehicles. People see the car. But behind that car are batteries, software, charging systems, and manufacturing innovation. Technology is usually a combination of many small breakthroughs. That is why the robotics industry continues to grow. Not because one machine suddenly changes everything, but because many improvements slowly come together. Now, if you look at everyday life, there is a bigger lesson here. Many expensive systems exist because solving complex problems requires investment. Businesses build services around expertise, maintenance, and reliability. At the same time, technology can sometimes create simpler alternatives. This pattern has appeared throughout history. The internet simplified communication. Smartphones simplified access to information. Electric vehicles are changing transportation. Robotics may become another example. The future may not be about replacing humans. It may be about creating tools that help humans work differently. So when you see a humanoid robot moving through a public space, the bigger story is not just the robot itself. The bigger story is the technology journey behind it, from simple components to advanced machines, from imagination to engineering, from science fiction ideas to real-world experiments. This is why projects like Tesla Optimus continue to attract global attention. They represent a question that humanity has been exploring for generations. How can technology help us build a more efficient future? Before we close, remember this content is for educational and informational purposes only. There's no guarantee that any technology will develop exactly as predicted. Robotics projects are constantly evolving, and results may vary depending on many factors. Viewers should research carefully, understand the limitations, and make their own decisions when evaluating new technologies. If this helped you understand something new, share with others who might find this useful. Subscribe for more educational content. Subscribe to Future EV Insider for more future technology stories.